Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla today inaugurated the 22nd Annual Conference of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India Region Zone 3 at the Nagaland Legislative Assembly in Kohima. In his inaugural address, Mr. Birla said the northeastern region is known for its rich culture, diversity and strong democratic values. He noted that the region is progressing as a vibrant democracy with continuous improvement in connectivity, infrastructure and emerging opportunities. The Speaker lauded the Northeastern Legislative Assemblies for their unity and for framing policies suited to regional needs, paving the way for prosperity and progress. He emphasized the need to promote regional development and industrial growth while enhancing accountability and transparency in governance through technology and artificial intelligence. Mr. Birla said it was encouraging that most assemblies in the region have become paperless, share good practices, and experience minimal disruptions in proceedings. He urged the legislature to deliberate on expanding developmental opportunities, adding that the people of the Northeast are vibrant and full of potential. Bureau Report News Now.